In this video, I'm going to show you how to win with rate shoppers. So loan officer training, how to win with rate shoppers, how to get them to buy. If you like any of the information in this video, you can grab my free guide. Just click on the link below. And I think there's actually in this one another great video that you can check out as well. Hi, I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, and I literally wrote the book on mortgages. So #1 best-selling author, how to get approved for the best mortgage without sticking a fork in your eye. So I've been originating loans for 18 or 19 years. So I'm very fortunate that I usually don't compete on interest rates. Yes, rates are important. However, most of my clients already come to me having made the decision to do business with me. So I'm just looking for a good fit with them and to make sure that they qualify to work with me. Are they my ideal avatar? Are they my best customer? And of course, we have great interest rates. Obviously, everybody has great rates. Most companies will match or beat any loan estimate. But part of that is you don't want to get surprised by that either. You want an open dialogue so that you get the opportunity to compete on rate if it should come up. For me, how do I do this where this isn't really an issue? It's something that you can easily learn as well. I created my unique selling proposition to target my ideal avatar. So it has nothing to do with interest rates. So if you're competing on interest rates, you're just a commodity. That's a huge problem. That means that your buyer or even worse, your realtor that sent you that buyer doesn't see anything that's different from you about the competition. And that is just, it's not a good relationship to build on. You'll have to redo that relationship with that realtor. And it's not a good relationship to start with a potential client. Because again, you started off in negative footing for yourself. And that's absolutely not the way you want to do it. So you don't want to compete on rates. That tells you right up front you're a commodity. So there's nothing different about you. So if you don't have a unique selling proposition, you need to create a unique selling proposition that not only sets you apart from all the other lenders, but you need to have a unique selling proposition that's targeted towards your ideal avatar. So, and then once you have those two key pieces, you can teach your strategic partners, whether that be realtor, certified financial planner, homeowner's insurance agent, divorce attorney, whatever the case may be, who your strategic partners are. Once you have your ideal avatar and you have a unique selling proposition targeted towards that ideal avatar, then you can teach your strategic partners exactly how to refer you. And so they'll know what to say. And of course, since they're your strategic partner, you want to learn the same about them so that you can refer them clients as well. And that way it becomes a win-win for everyone. So just to give you an idea, so for me, first-time home buyers are one of my ideal avatars, okay? I like working with first-time home buyers because they don't take me for granted. Yes, rate's obviously important, but it's not the end-all be-all because they need me to guide them through the complicated process of obtaining a loan for the first time with no stress on them. And that's what I do for them. I love helping them. They're grateful for me. It's a win-win because I get to help them. And of course, we get business, obviously, but they get taken care of. They understand the process. They understand the next step. They can anticipate the road ahead. And it takes all the stress out of the process for them. So the last thing we're talking about is rate. Yes, here's the rate. Here's your payment, and there's all those sorts of questions, but that's the least thing. I am not getting shopped on rate when it comes to that. And again, of course, we have great rates, but you don't want to lose a client over an eighth. I mean, that's just crazy, or $100 on a fee or something. That's just silly. So I look for ideal avatars that appreciate me and I appreciate them and I love to help them and they appreciate my skill and knowledge. So that's what you want to do is create an ideal avatar that you want to work with. And it could be, I mean, there's so many to choose from with these, there are so many different fun, amazing people in the world. I mean, you can pick ones that you love working with or you have commonalities. I mean, there's a whole I have a great master class on this. It's phenomenal. So anyway, let me give you one other example. I had a client, one of my coaching clients, over and above. He came in and he was doing 2 or 3 deals. He'd been in the business about as long as I had, but he kind of was focused on wrong things. So he created his ideal avatar. He went above and beyond in creating his ideal avatar. And within 3 months, he went from closing 2 or 3 deals a month to 19 deals, $5 million in his best personal production in any month. And this is what happens when you don't have to compete on rate. You create your ideal avatar and your unique selling proposition, and you build your strategic partners. So that's how you do it. So click on the link below for more info, and be sure to share and subscribe.